Greetings and salutations, and welcome back to part 2 of our trip to the San Diego International Boat Show. The astute of you may have noticed that the first part of this video series had nothing but sailboats in it. In this episode, we go exploring the $1 million power yachts. So sit back and enjoy.
I know, to be on a boat.
Yeah.
It's nice that it's spacious enough to actually...
Yeah. Oh, you'll like the galley.
Oh.
That's the best galley, I think.
I really do like this. The owner's a sweet guy because he knows that I'm here for a long time. Here's the kitchen. Like, make your lunch because it's full, everything works, and
wow,
it's really easy to just clean up, so...
Cool.
Look at the fridge.
Yeah, I'm getting...
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like about it is it's a side-by-side.
Well, compared to everything else that we've seen.
Yeah. This is better than that $3.6 million one.
Yeah, I'm liking the kitchen.
Yeah, so what happens is he cared for this boat, he loved upkeeping it, and that's why it has those 3 dates. It's a 1999, but he remodeled it and did some work on it in 2014, and then redid it again in 2016 because he just saw all the modern gadgets and loved it, but loved the fact that older boats have a tendency to have more space and woodwork and a better frame. But now he's looking for something bigger, so he just wants to get rid of it and get a new one for summer.
Nice.
So the price is definitely negotiable. He said it's there, but also
Whatever works for him, right?
yeah, whatever works.
Yeah.
He's ready for that next one, and summer's coming too fast.
Exactly.
I love your shirt, by the way.
Oh, thank you, yeah.
Very festive.
I usually wear this when I travel. We're from Phoenix.
Oh, right on.
So I wear this shirt when I travel all the time, so.
Nice.
You can't lose him.
I got a lot of family in Yuma, so
Okay.
I head up to Arizona all the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
But and also some friends in Phoenix too.
I like this.
I do too.
This is nice.
Yeah, so these swivel around and they lock into place either way, but it's just a nice little...
So 2 helm stations, the one up top, the flybridge, and then this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the other cool part too is that he loves his technology. There's a remote that you can drive the boat with. He has a docking remote, so you can be on the dock and park this thing perfectly with...
Oh, so he's got a bow and stern thrusters?
Yes. He
Wow.
has really souped this thing up, which is why we said, like...
Oh my gracious.
He put some effort into it, so we've got the satellites, all of the latest technological gizmos and fun toys, as well as maintaining everything else. And yeah, it's been really good for him. It's been really fun for his wife, and just ready. But yeah, you can see that she has more of the feminine colors.
The decorating?
And the decorating.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's tastefully done.
Personally, I really like the blue. Some people hate it, but it reminds me of like an actual house. And it's surprisingly easy to use, actually, because it looks very daunting. But in the slightest. Yeah, have a gander around.
Thank you.
Oh, there's another little baby cabin over here.
Okay.
There's no head down there, though.
Down here?
Yeah. Oh, did I miss it?
Yeah. Somehow you missed it.
Oh, yeah, I did miss it. Oh, wow. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The shower? That's a neat shower.
Uh-huh.
I like the 70s disco mirror ceiling, though. Marble floors. This is
a trophy wife.
This is a nice.
Yes. Oh wow, they have their own little baby TV in there.
I'm impressed.
For the price? This is a better price than that, or a better deal than
value,
that.
yeah.
The 60.
By a long shot.
Yeah. Let's go up and see the fly bridge.
Well, so far we're in love.
I know. It's such a nice combination of being able to host people, but also not the biggest, most
Yeah.
annoying thing in the world.
Yeah.
I know, and up there is so much fun.
Nice.
Wow. I like the toys.
Uh-huh. I was just gonna say the same thing.
So there has to be a crane or something in order to get them up here. Oh yeah, right here.
Just have to be
There's a crane.
You haven't been doing deadlifts, have you?
Not yet.
Oh.
Wow, 50 horsepower outboard.
For your runabout.
Yeah. Storage.
Uh-huh.
This is a lot better deal than that that $3.6 million one. I like it.
Rowdy children. And close the doors. This is just full of all sorts of surprises.
Wow. Yeah, it's got its own little like mini head or mini galley. Oh, that you can't stand up in that head.
Who cares?
Wow, this is a beautiful.
I can stand up in there. Nobody's been in there for a while.
This is gorgeous.
Yes, it is. Man.
Water maker.
And immaculate, too.
Yeah. Okay, we have to find someone that has that's a millionaire that can loan us some money. Generator, water maker, 2 generators. There's one on both sides.
I can just put myself up for adoption.
Wow.
This was nice. 72 foot. You want to see one?
Sure.
Oh, yeah. I'm getting the corporate vibe here. Now this, yeah.
This is the galley?
You're gonna have flat burners. You need these. I like that.
Oh, you like this fridge too?
Uh-huh.
Oh, they got it locked. Dishwasher? Let's see. Oh, yeah. There's a dishwasher.
Oh, wait.
2 different gas stations. Botox.
Yeah.
There's an ice maker? No, it is a dishwasher.
Oh, didn't it was trash.
It is a trash.
is trash.
Yeah.
Okay. So hopes were dashed. That's all right. Oh, looky there.
That's a dishwasher.
Yeah.
Hey, go upstairs.
Wow.
What's this? Another dishwasher.
Huh. For small things. Any Ritz crackers?
No, I'll pass.
Aunt Jemima's?
Meals ready to eat?
Good afternoon, how are you?
Okay, how about yourself?
Awesome, thank you. Welcome aboard.
My wife is just drooling over the kitchen.
Yeah, she is.
Can I show you something that I really like? Okay. If you gotta stand, let me make sure it's right about here. Yeah, about here. So your head's about here.
Okay.
Because this boat's so look at this paneling, how it becomes a little iridescent or so you can kind of see through it a little bit. If the light's hitting it just right, it'll do it. But that's what I like about this wood, is that you can kind of, has like depth to it when the sun hits it just right. And it's a matte finish, but if it were high gloss, then it would be ×2 of what I'm trying to explain to you. But it's
No, it does.
it's fun.
I mean,
Well, why the 2 dishwashers?
Because that's the way they ordered the boat. I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe they like. I know at my house we have 2, but it's because she doesn't want to put dishes away too much. So they kind of go from one dishwasher to the plate, to the table, to
the next dishwasher?
kinda-
So you have a rotation.
Yeah, it just kind of
Okay.
rotates for us.
That works.
I don't know why they did it, but might have to do with construction a little bit, because full-size refrigerator here. And if you add a drawer refrigerator, which they probably didn't want the upright one, because the upright one's smaller,
Yeah.
so they probably wanted the width. And so if you're gonna have one, you might as well have 2. I'm thinking, maybe.
You could put delicate stuff in one and not delicate stuff in the other.
The dog's bowl in one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Tango would like this.
I wonder if they even.
Tango wood.
And you know, you could probably use it for dry storage too. You know, pots and pans.
That's true.
This boat just came up from La Paz, so it.
It survived the pause.
Yeah. Oh, easily for sure. He runs the boat himself. That's he doesn't have a captain, so he drives it himself. So.
Is there a crew compartment too, or a crew?
When he ordered the boat, he modified it so that it was more of a mudroom or a wet room.
Okay.
Or storage room, I guess is the proper way to say it. So, option was to have a cruise quarters, and he kind of changed that just to make it a dry storage area. So.
Yeah, we looked at some cruise quarters. We were thinking, it'd be a great place for scuba gear.
Air
That's how he
compressor?
has it set up like that. And with this boat, the 72, you really could run this yourself. The thrusters are, you can hold the thrusters, and so if you want, you can go kind of at a 10%, 20%, 50%, 100% mode. So you want to do a little bit or a lot. So they're hydraulic. So the bow thruster is a 35 horsepower hydraulic thruster, and the stern is 25 horsepower.
It's all glass instruments?
Yes. And so you can bring the thrusters over and hold it so it'll stay up against the dock, walk down, grab the lines, easy
Wow.
peasy. So
Very nice.
Yeah, we looked at another boat and he had a remote
yeah,
that he could pilot the whole boat from a little remote that he had.
and that's pretty and that's really convenient too, because you're docking the boat from here and you want to step outside to look over, then you've got the remote in your hand, then you know kind of exactly where you're at.
Okay.
So
Let's go down and take a look
Please.
downstairs.
enjoy.
Oh, we've been drooling.
Oh, it's easy to do.
I like this. I really like this. The bunk bed is set up different.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
And it goes through to about a head there too.
With a shower. Nice.
Wow.
A very nice shower too.
This one has its own private shower too in the head.
Gotta watch your knees on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Craig, you missed this.
What?
Toys.
No, I did see that. The electrical panel?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I thought it was a washer and dryer first.
Oh. Maybe that's what the second dishwasher's for.
Oh. This is amazing. You got a second galley up here. Just
So you don't have cold storage in an area where you're going to spend a lot of your time.
they have a barbecue.
This area I don't like as much as the
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a cabin down below here too.
Master is there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You mean that one wasn't the master?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Make sure you go inside the shower too.
Anytime you can actually go inside a shower.
Oh. Oh my.
Wow.
Yeah, washer dryer.
I wonder if Mob the Moon comes with this boat.
Oh. I could live in here.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. Who needs the rest of the boat? This is amazing.
That's a huge shower.
Wow. It's like having a spa on board.
Matter of fact, the cruise ships we've been on, the bathrooms haven't been this big.
Shoot, the cabins weren't that big.
Oh my.
Wow. That is incredible.
Washer dryer.
I could sleep in here.
There is a big party area in the back.
Let's go board. We'll do the 62.
That's definitely a landing place.
Uh-huh.
No worries. Hey, you too.
Look at the little sink and the, like a mini bar.
Wow.
This is like a condo.
Small screen.
Yeah, that is small for this. You think with a 62-foot boat you'd have a 62-inch big screen?
This is just the one upstairs.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Look at the cockpit.
I know.
It's like a race car.
I'm sorry, but it's like a Toyota. I can't see over the front this time. Seriously, I would have problems.
Well, go ahead and sit up there.
I don't think we're supposed to.
It doesn't say don't sit on it.
Well, it does everywhere.
Okay.
I just don't want to.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. Yes, it'd be okay. I just wouldn't want to park it. Or park it.
That's where you have a crew. Little sitting area. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Oh, a head.
That's interesting.
I wonder if that's a shower there in there too. We were standing
Showers, yeah.
right where you're
It's,
at. It's odd that you'd have the shower before the head
well,
though.
there's another door here from the bedroom.
Oh, there's another head in here too.
Oh, so that's the main thing there.
Yeah, but that's got a standalone shower in it. If you-
I know, but I'm saying this.
yeah.
Oh. I guess it doesn't go through. It looked like it did. It looked like there was a door.
Hmm.
Okay, so enough small screen TVs to make one huge screen TV. That must be the going bathroom sink then.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
Ooh, inductive.
I'm liking.
Well, I tell you what, when you get 3 million,
Except it needs a little.
look at this. A mini fridge and freezer.
Now, I'd really like it if it was all fridge.
Yeah. But the master's down here.
Oh, we haven't gotten there yet?
No.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, I thought that was a mirror.
No. Wow.
I didn't. That is amazing. Now that's a shower.
I'm wanting that one.
Look at the shower head. Oh, that's a light. Where's the shower head? Oh, it's got a handheld shower head in there. Electric toilets, electric flush. And then, oh, they have them locked open. That's incredible.
Got an extra 3.5 mil lying around.
I wonder how much money Grandma has. What's behind?
Can we knock your mom off?
Well, this one's a lot less expensive.
This is the economy version.
Yeah. When I wasn't recording all that, let's back out and do it again.
No, those are some very odd glasses.
Whoa, there's a step here. There's your head there.
That's nice. I like that. Not like the other one. I like it.
It's not as nice. Of course, for $2 million less.
No, 1.6
Well,
million.
oh, so 1.6 million. Sorry. It's got a little breakfast nook. What's behind that mirror there?
What's behind door number 2, Monty?
Nothing.
Nothing. Wasted
But this
space.
is, yeah.
Wasted space.
Hey, look at the title of the book.
It's cute. I like the little sitting area.
It's a time at the end of the video where I say, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, I don't care. And remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.